Hey guys, it's Cam Kenny here. This is a special video of my friends and I playing Airsoft before I moved. I had to move to Colorado. I moved a couple days ago, and I'm sorry I haven't been posting any videos. It's just I haven't had the time, and so I'll be back in 4 months, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace, guys.
Guys, it's a Springer match between Ethan. Wave to the camera. And we have Cameron putting his stuff on. Wave to the camera. I said wave! Or just go some other thing. But, okay. 3. Airsoft gun, by the way. 2. 1. Go! He's right there. Right there. Get him. Get him. Get on. Get on. Get it on and get on. Okay. Alright, recording. Right here. I'm on a ladder, by the way. Pretty comfortable. I was sitting up here and I almost fell. Don't you think our buddy has some misdirection? Oh, God! Pretty fun, though. This, Airsoft. It's weird I have to keep back and forth. So he's in there because I can't see him. And I can't see the other one either. Cameron and Ethan. Back to the thing. So he's somewhere this way. I can't really see him. Oh, there he is. Pop right out like a groundhog. We got him. We got him. We got him. We got him.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Again. How was this experience for you? Great. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Some quick highlight video questions. How was this experience for you?
It's pretty scary and painful. I get shot a lot. I haven't won yet.
Great. Just great. Alright, I'm gonna get back up on my ladder. Ladder tower. Remember, it's not Springer match anymore, Rifles. So it's gonna get a little bit more interesting. Alright. Ooh. Swag. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, we got a camper. The anticipation is insane.
You can't do that.
Watch your height. Watch your height. The guy's right here. They need to he needs to watch his height. The game's still going. You can still move. Watch your height. He was up there. I almost got hit. Let's check out some Ethan action. Then we're gonna do some Cameron action. Ooh. Shots fired. More shots fired. Trying to fix his gun. Having a little trouble. Oh, damn. Watch your fire! Dang, he is lighting up Cameron in his spot. Jeez. Just kidding. Misdirection. Nah, I'm gonna help you too, Ethan. Just, start hiding out. I might give you a little help. Give Cameron some misdirection. We gotta make the game fair, so. Ooh. Watch my legs. Ooh, the strategy! Wow. What a shot. We got him over there. We got Cameron. Oh, my misdirection didn't work. But, you get where I'm going with this, like misdirection. But Cameron, I don't think Cameron's dumb for that. Cameron's not dumb. He knows my misdirection tricks. But Ethan is the outgoing soldier. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're shooting at nothing.
I don't know. Is he over there? I thought he was over there.
Maybe, I'm not sure. I can't see him. Just kidding.
Oh, you got me.
And that concludes our game. Cameron with the winner, going up with 2 wins. Ethan with 0. We'll be back on ESPN Airsoft. Thank you.
We call insurance. Now we can show you one of our very satisfied customers.
Man, my insurance really kicked me out onto the street. But then I figured out insurance. It really helps me out a lot. Now I'm a millionaire!
Well, now you know what happened to him. Now he's a millionaire, and you could be one too. Where'd he go? Whatever. Get insurance.
Call insurance today. Get your free coverage on your insurance.
Alright, Jamie, how's this experience?
Okay, you can back it up, but yeah, it's great. I'm super glad to be here and to be competing. I'm 3-0 right now, and I want to keep my streak.
You got P90 right there.
Yep.
That's what he's using in this game, and we're gonna get to it. Alright, we're starting this game in 3, 2, 1, start! Jamie has seemed not to make an advantage yet, but Ethan has slightly. Alright, now Jamie has on the move. He's scouting around the map over the tent. Ethan's right there. Shooting my ladder. You guys are shooting a ladder. Up there. Jamie is completely unaware on what is happening. Jamie is hiding down there. He is behind that barrel. Right there. Nathan right there. Jamie is having quite a struggle right now.
So much fire. You haven't hit me. God. How am I still alive?
You just let him know you were.
No, I don't want to get hit. I've been relax. Probably gonna lose. I'm in really bad ground right now.
You got this. Ethan and Jamie completely unaware where the players are at the moment. But about in a few seconds, they will find out where they are. Looks like this is very intense. I thought Jamie would have gotten Ethan for sure, but no. This is going to be very intense.
You got me.
Ethan won his first game. Congratulations.
Ooh, you hit me in the spot where I don't have armor.
Are you very accomplished?
Yeah.
You're winning.
I feel good.
Jamie, how do you feel?
I feel good about
I feel pain, hurtness in
Please
wrist.
show us where your pain is.
Right here.
Okay, dude.
That's where I was hit.
Wow. We'll be back with the next game on whatever this.
Gun sucks
Alright.
so bad it's not even shooting.
Alright, let's go.
You call insurance.
Call insurance today. Get your free coverage on your insurance.
Cameron. How is this gun? How do you like it? Is it good?
I enjoy this gun very much.
Are you pretty sure you are going to win with that gun?
I am guaranteed you can know that. I'll start on this side this time.
Jamie, how do you feel about that P90?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Really light. Move really well. And I'm pretty confident. But I'm pretty sure Cameron might beat me. I've
Yeah,
lost once
because
myself.
the M4 is superior to that gun. I know that.
Indeed.
Okay. We're gonna go up into the sniper tower, and we're gonna see what the heck's going on. Alright, double drabbles. 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like Cameron's shooting his gun, and looks like Jamie is not. He's being a little weasel. Jamie!
What?
Do stuff.
Jamie is over there, if you were wondering. And Cameron's over there. Squatting down, being a camper, shooting his gun. Sorry, Cameron. Sorry for calling you a camper. You're not a camper. Looks like Cameron is inside of the shed. Or not the shed, but the tent. And it looks like Jamie is getting his butt whipped. And yes, I said whipped, not whooped. Look, it seems as though Cameron is down there moving. Yes, you can hear him down there. Looks like Jamie is over there, being a Jamie that he is. You can tell he's feeling a lot of apprehension. Oh dang, there's Cameron. He's making a move. Oh crap.
Got me right in the head. Yeah.
Headshot! That's 3,000 points. Are you proud of yourself, Cameron?
I am.
Cool. So we're gonna have to do another fake commercial.
Insurance.
Millionaire! On insurance today.
Hey guys, we are back, and it's Jamie. As you can see in the last game, I was shot directly in the head. You see that insurance though? Like, I use that, my house, my family. Insurance really helps. So, do that. 3, 2, 1, go. Jeez. Ethan coming out with just so much fire out on Cameron. Cameron can do nothing but crouch. Jeez, so much fire. What a game. This is intense. More intense than me and Cameron's game. He got me in the head. It went by really quick, but he still won. It's his win. Let's go. Come on, this is boring. I want to see some arms ripped off. Just kidding. Fire coming out at him. Here we go. Get over. Side. Fire. Bang, bang. Shoot. Pew. Cameron is just sitting. So much fire coming out from Ethan. Oh, man, this is so intense. Cameron's usually the one that's the stealth. He just uses his fire wisely. But Ethan is just throwing bullets at him like insane. Gosh. Have you got a spark in you from the further matches? Don't answer my question. Alright, yeah, he wants to win. He does. He has that spark inside him, and Cameron, I don't think he's going to let that happen. Ooh, fire. Watch your fire! Hitting my feet. Alright, reload, intermission. We'll be right back.
Millionaire!
Whatever. Insurance.
Call insurance.
Okay, we are back from that intermission. Ooh, I don't want to turn it that way. BBs are flying.
Oh my god, you shot like right above me.
I don't think it's smart to tell him that. Ethan wants this. He has no wins. Oh, well, he has one. He has one win. He beat me. But, yeah, he has one win. Cameron has 3 or 2. No, I gave him a win. Well, I gave him a win because we had to do this thing for a really long time. But, his legit wins are 2. I have 3. And, Ethan has 1. So it's 1. Legitly, let's just 1, 2, 3. But still. Ethan does want this because he needs more wins. And he wants more wins. But Cameron does too. So we're going to see who wins in this face-off that's been going on. Oh, here we go. Cameron won.
Right on the knuckle.
Cameron got him right on the knuckle. Wow, very painful spot. Very painful spot. Oh, wait. Let's go in. Let's go on in this injury. Go in on it. We are stopping the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. He doesn't have an outro, so I'm going to make one for him. 360 no scope, bye.